very good morning and Jai Hind to one and all. Myself Suresh Vishwakarma going to present you the additional exercise of the chapter coordinate geometry, which is exercise number 7.4 and question number 1. So let us see what is given in the question number 1. In this it is given that determine the ratio in which the lines 2x plus y minus 4 equals to 0. It is a line given. This line, determine the ratio in which this line divides the line segment joining the points a 2, minus 2 and b 3, 7. It means you have 2 points, point A and point B. Say this is point A whose coordinates is 2, minus 2, and the second point is B whose coordinates are 3, 7. This line segment AB is divided by a line. This is the line, and the equation of this line is given 2x plus y minus 4 equals to 0. Equation of this line is given 2x plus y minus 4 equals to 0. Let us suppose that this line intersect AB at point P. This line 2x plus y minus 4 equals to 0, this intersect the line segment AB at point P. This we are going to find out that this point P divides this line segment AB in which ratio, right? So let us suppose that this point P divides this line segment in k is to 1 ratio. In which ratio? In k is to 1. So in the solution of this, let the line 2x plus y minus 4 equals to 0 divides AB at P in k is to 1 ratio, right? So here k is to 1 is the ratio that we are going to find out, and this A is, suppose it is x1 y1, and this point B, suppose x2 y2. It means x1 is equals to 2 and y1 is equals to minus 2. x2 is equals to 3 and y2 is equals to 7. So let us find out the coordinate of P first. Let us find out the coordinate of P first. So the coordinate of P will be coordinate of P will be what? The formula in terms of k that you have read, section formula in terms of k. That was what? Kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1 and ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. This we have read the formula. So let us substitute these values from the given information. So coordinate of P, this is kx2, k into x2, and x2 is 3, plus x1 is 2, divided by k plus 1, and second ky2, k into y2 is 7, plus y1 is minus 2, divided by k plus 1, right? So let us simplify it. You will get the coordinate of P 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1, and this is 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1. This is the coordinate of this point P. 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1 and 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1. Now, after getting the coordinate of this point P, what we are observing? We observe that this line 2x plus y minus 4 equals to 0 passes through this point P. So, let us pass this line with this point P. If this line passes through the point P, it means this coordinate of P should satisfy this line segment. So, what we have to write, since line 2x plus y minus 4 equals to 0 passes through the point P, therefore this line should satisfy this line segment. It means the value of x should be this and the value of y should be this. Therefore 2x plus y minus 4 equals to 0. It means 2 multiplied by the value of x, which is 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1 plus y is 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1, and this 4 we have taken to the right side. So, let us solve it. You will get 3 2s are 6k plus 2 2s are 4 plus 7k minus 2 equals to 4 multiplied by k plus 1. Now, you will get 6 plus 7 is 13k, 4 minus 2 is 2 equals to 4k plus 4. Therefore, we will get 13k minus 4k equals to 4 minus 2. So, we will get this is 9k is equals to 2. So, k is equals to 2 upon 9. Therefore, k is to 1 is equals to 2 is to 9. So, the ratio is 2 is to 9 is point of the division, means ratio of the division. Okay, right children? So, be careful. First you need to find out the coordinate of point P. Now, this point P passes through this line segment. So, substitute the value of x and y from this point in this equation. You will get the point of division and the ratio of division also. Okay friends, so let us see the question number 2. What is given in this? Find the relation between x and y if the point x, y, 1, 2 and 7, 0 are collinear. So dear friends, as we know that the points are collinear, means points are collinear, it means that the area formed by the triangle with these coordinates will be 0. This you keep it in mind, right? Since points are collinear, so therefore if the points are collinear, so therefore the area of triangle ABC will be equals to 0. So where A, the point A is xy, say this is x1 y1, B is 1 2, say this is x2 y2, and C is 7 0, and say it is x3 y3. So let us substitute the values of this is in the formula of area, half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equals to 0, right? So this x1 is x, y2 is 2, minus y3 is 0, plus x2 is 1, y3 is 0, minus y1 is y, plus x3 is 7, y1 is y, minus y2 is 2, equals to 0 multiplied by 2. Now you will get 2x minus 1y plus 7y minus 7 2s are 14 equals to 0. Therefore, we are getting 2x plus 6y minus 14 equals to 0. Divide this equation. This is your answer, but you can simplify this equation by dividing it 2 with 2. So 2 1s are 2, x plus 2 3s are 6, y minus 2 7s are 14 equals to 0, which is the relation between x and y, is our required answer, right? So in this, what we have taken, as these 3 points are given, so this is point A, which is xy, say this is x1 y1, this is point B, which is 1 2, say it is x2 y2, and point C is 7 0, which is x3 y3. As the points are collinear, so the area formed by this triangle ABC is equals to 0. Now substitute in the formula of area, we will get the relation between x and y very easily. Okay.